Hello, welcome to chapter 12 Racing Seconds. Raghav practicing yoga in the morning. Here, this is the starting time and this is the finishing time. Now, let us find out at which time did Raghav start practicing yoga. Here, let us check that. Here, the small tick is on 5 and big tick on 7. 7 means 30, 35. That is 5:35 he was starting the yoga and in which time he was stopping it by 5 and the big one is 11 that is 55. 5:55 he stopped the yoga. Okay. How much time did he spend practicing yoga? Let us calculate. 5:35 minus 5:55 minus 5:35 which is equal to 20 minutes. Here he's practicing yoga for 20 minutes. Next, find the time elapsed between the given time period. Share your strategy. First one A. Okay, let us calculate that. Here, take the bigger one. 142 minus 115 which is equal to 42 minutes minus 15 minutes which is 27 minutes. Here the answer for first one is 27 minutes. Second one, let us calculate that. Here the minutes are same, then we subtract 8 minus 3 which is 5 hours. After that in C, let us calculate 11:30 minus 9:15 which is equal to 11 minus 9 which is 3 and 30 minus 15 which is 15. Okay, 11 minus 2.15 which is the answer is here 2 hours 15 minutes. Next, the table below shows the time taken by 3 children to paint the picture. Raghav 1 hour 20 minutes, Rani 2 hours 10 minutes, Ritu 1 hour 30 minutes. Who took longest time? Here 2 hours 10 minutes is greater one. So Rani is the answer for who took greater time is Rani. Then less minutes 1 hour 35 minutes is greater than 1 hour 20 minutes is lesser. So Raghav took least time. Okay. Here from 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. midnight. That is 12 a.m. midnight to 11:59 a.m. is same in both format, which is okay. Next one from 12 noon onwards. What happened? Add 12 hours to the time to convert to 24-hour format. Okay. Now, here in fill in the blanks by writing the term in appropriate format. First column is time in 12-hour format and time in 24-hour format, where 5:30 a.m. is same as 5:30 a.m. Here 12 a.m. to 11:59 a.m. we have to have the same one. Okay. Next here 8 8 8 35, which is 8 hours 35 p.m. here. Next 11:55 we have to add 11:55 plus 12 hours, which is equal to 23.55. Here the answer is here it is 11:55 a.m. We can write it as 11:55. Then 12:30 a.m. Here 12:30, 2:30 plus 12, which is equal to 14:30. The answer is right. Same way we have to add 5:30 plus 12, which is equal to 17:30. The answer is 17:30 hours. Next 9:35 plus 12 is equal to 9 19 point no 9:21.35, which is 21:35 hours. Matching the following. Here it is in a 12 hours format. Here it is in 24 hours format. Let us assume this is first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, and sixth one. Let us match. Whatever is in AM, we can search is at same value. This is first one, and what is AM 4:30 AM, which is fourth one. Let us calculate this one. 8.45 plus 12, which is equal to 20.45. Where is it? This here. This is 2. Next to 11.45. 11.45 plus 12 equal to 23.45. Where is here? It is third one. Next to fifth one. Fourth one already we have marked 7.30 plus 12 is equal to 19.30, which is fifth one. And 1.330 is equal to 13 point, adding 12, which is 13 point AM here. So we have to write it as 1.30 itself. Okay, school race. Ahira, Sunita and Mary are practicing in 200-meter walking race. Here first place is 1 minute 55 second. Second place is 1 minute 56 second. And third place is 1 minute 57 second. Okay. Here, do you notice the use of a new unique seconds in the picture? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. In situation like race, seconds help us to observe small difference in time by the participants. Each participant took 1 minute, but how much more? Identify the children who won the race. How much time did the children take? Okay, here the first one has taken that 1 minute 55 second. He won the race. Okay, let us do. Estimate whether you would take seconds or minute to complete the following activities. Tick the appropriate cell. Okay, now blinking of eyes, it takes seconds. Okay, we have to tick on it. Switching on and off of the fan, it takes seconds. Counting from 1 to 20, it also takes seconds. Filling a glass from the tap, it also takes seconds. Melting an ice cube, it take minutes. Okay. Making a phone call, it make time of minutes. Okay. Sitting down on the floor, it is seconds. Drinking a glass of water, it also takes seconds. Snapping fingers, it also take seconds. Washing hands, it take minute. Okay. Note for the teachers, let the learners observe and discuss who stood first, who stood second, and who stood third, and why. Help them understand the difference between minutes, seconds, and the second as a unit, which add precision in measuring short due time duration. Get the learners to observe that 20 movements of the second hands leads to a shift in the minute hand. This is activity. Here, this is activity based. Estimate and verify how many of this you can do in minutes. This also activated activity based. Okay, let us find out the number of times you can skip the rope in 10 seconds. It is self activity. Okay, you have to start, you need an stopwatch or count 10 seconds and then start skipping. It may differ from each other. For example, this is 220 skips. For example, it may vary from person to person. For example, this is 20 skips in 10 seconds. Okay. And how long does it takes you to write the word friend? It also, they take the stopwatch, start timing when you begin writing friend and stop when you finish. This is may take 1.5 seconds. It may vary from person to person. 1.5 seconds per letter. Then there is letter in six letter in front, which is 1.5 into 6, which is equal to 9 seconds. The total answer is 9 seconds. Then how long does it takes you to run 100 meter? For example, it also vary from person to person. So I am writing it at an approximate 8 to 10 years old may run 15 to for 25 to 40 seconds. Let us do observe the clock and fill the blanks. The small one indicates the hour, and the medium size indicates the minute, and the red line indicates the second. Here 7 o'clock, that is 45 minutes, it is in exact 0 seconds. Now it come to 6, which is 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 25 seconds, 30 seconds. Here the answer is 30 seconds. Rani took 30 seconds to get out of her bed. Next, second one, Raghav took dash second to move from his room to kitchen. Here, the small one is in 4. Next, big one is in 45 minutes. Then the second is starting in 0. While coming to 7, it is 35 seconds. That is 35 seconds. Next, the same thing we have to proceed here. Here, the small one is in 5. Then the uh, minutes stick is on 6, which is 30 minutes. Then the second stick is in 45, which is taking to 12. Here 45, 50, 55, 60, which is 15 seconds are there. Ritu took 15 seconds to pick a piece of paper from the floor. Raghu took dash seconds to wash his spoon and plate. Here the hard tick is on 6 and the minutes is on 12. This is on 12:1, which is taking 1 minute. Here the seconds is on 5 and 5, which is here 1 minute has done. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 60 seconds is the answer. Raghu took 60 seconds to wash his spoon and plate. Draw the missing seconds hand on the clock on the right side. Okay. First one here, Raghu took 20 seconds to read a sentence in his book. This is seconds indicating here 0 seconds. 20 means 5, 10, 15, 20. Here we have to draw it. Next. Second one. Rani took 30 seconds to color rectangle. Here also it is in 0. We have to 30 means 10, 20, 30. Next. Raghu took 60 seconds to move his home to the garden. Group to move from his home to the garden. Now 60 means the same one, which is 9. Next, Ritu took 40 seconds to wash the plate. Here it is in 55. That means 5, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. That is upon 7. Conversion of hours to minutes. Sign up and Remo were converting time from hours to minutes and vice versa. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 2 hours is equal to multiplying 2 into 60, which gives 120. This means that 180 minutes is equal to 3 hours. And as 3 hours is equal to 3 times 160, which is 180. Now let us do. Use the double number line below to complete the conversions. Okay, first 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, then 2 hour is equal to 220. 4 hours is equal to 4 into 60, 4 into 60, which is equal to 240, where the answer is 240 minutes. Next, 7 into 60, which is equal to 420. Here the answer is 420. Next 480, which is 480 divided by 60, which is equal to 8. Here 8 has. Then 9 into 60, which is equal to 540. Here the answer is 540. Next 660, that is 11 into 60 is equal to 660 and 12 into 60 is equal to 720. Here the answer is 11 hours is equal to 660 minutes and 12 hours is equal to 720 minutes. Do as the instruction. You can use the above double number line for the following conversation. Here first one 1 hours 10 minutes is equal to 1 hour means 60 minutes, 60 minute plus 10 minutes, which is equal to 70 minute. Here the answer is 70 minute. Next 2 hours is equal to 120 plus 45, which is equal to 165 minutes. Now 3 hours. 3 hours, which is equal to 3 into 60, which is equal to 180 minutes plus 15 minutes equal to 195 minutes. This is the answer, 195 minutes. And 4 hour, which is 4 into 20, which is equal to 240 plus 20, which is equal to 260 minutes. The answer is 260. Now 75 minutes. 75 divided by 60, which is equal to 1.5. That means 1 hour 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Next 150 minutes. 150 divided by 60, which is equal to 2.30, which is 2 hours 30 minutes. Next 220. 220 divided by 60, which is equal to 3.40, which is 3 hours 40 minutes. Next 390. 390 divided by 60, which is equal to 6.30, which is 6 hours 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Part C. Fill in the blanks in the double line number to complete the conversion. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Here 5 into 60 means 5 into 60 means 300. That is 300 second. Next 10 into 60, which is 600 second. After 15 into 60, which is 900 second. Next 1200 divided by 60, which is equal to 20. The answer is 20. Next 1500 divided by 60 is 1500 divided by 60 is equal to 25. Here the answer is 25 minutes is equal to 1500 seconds. Now converting to 320 seconds, which is 320 divided by 60 will give this answer. For first one, 320 divided by 60 is equal to 5.20, which is 320 divided by 60 is equal to 5.20, which is 5 minutes 20 seconds. Next, 225 divided by 60 is equal to 3.45, which is 3 minutes 45 seconds. 700 divided by 60 is equal to 11.40, which is 11 minute 45 11 minute 40 seconds. Next 1000 divided by 60, which is equal to 16.40, which is 16 minutes 40 seconds. Okay, now 10 into 10 minutes 13 seconds is equal to 10 into 60, which is equal to 600 plus 13 seconds is equal to 613 seconds. The answer is 613 seconds. Next 4 minute into 60, which is equal to 240 plus 8 is equal to 248. Here the answer is 248. Next 15 into 16 is equal to 900 second plus 40 second is equal to 940. Here the answer is 940. Question 2. Raghav studies mathematics, English, Hindi, the world around us subject. There are 4 subjects. He took 50 minutes to study each of the subject. Find the total time taken in hours and minutes. Share your strategy with your class. Now here 4 subjects are there. 4, he is taking each subject 50 minutes, which is equal to 200 minutes. Okay. Now dividing 200 converting into hours. So dividing 200 divided by 60, which is 3.20, 3.20 which is 3 hours 20 minutes. The answer was the total time taken in hours and minutes is 3 hours 20 minutes. Next Raghav left his house at 8 hours and arrived at his Nanaji's house at 5 hours. How long did he take to reach his house? Here, 9 hours to 8 hours to 9 hours is 1 hour. So Raghu took 1 hour 5 minutes. There is balance 5 minutes to reach his Nana's house, which is 1 hour 5 minutes to reach his Nana's house. Fourth question. Jyoti went to play at 6:15 p.m. She came back after 1 hour 45 minutes. At what time did she reach home? Here we have to solve this question. Here I am putting fourth question solution. Starting time was 6:15 p.m. So adding with this 6:15 plus 1 hour is equal to 7:15. Next one 7:15 plus 45 minutes, which is equal to 8 p.m. The answer is 8 p.m. for this question. First we are adding hour, and after getting the number, getting the time, we are adding with minutes. Okay, this is the easy way. Next one, Ragini took 1 hour 10 minutes to do her homework. She finished it at 9:40 p.m. What time did she start? Let us calculate here. Fifth question. What is the end time? End time was 9:40 p.m. Next, subtract. We are subtracting 1 hour to 1 hour 10 minutes. First, we are subtracting the hour. 9:40 minus 1 hour is equal to 8:40. Next, 8:40 obtaining time minus minutes, which is 10 minutes, which is equal to 8:30 p.m. The answer is when she started her homework was 8:30 p.m. 8:30 p.m. Next, sixth question. A group of children left for a picnic at 8:30 a.m. They returned after 4 hours and 10 minutes. At what time they did return? Let us calculate this one. The sixth question was the start time is 8:30 a.m. Now we have to add 4 hours 10 minutes. First we are adding hours 8:30 plus 4 hours, which is equal to 12 12:30. Next 12:30 obtained time with adding with minutes, which is equal to 12:30 plus 10 minutes is equal to 12:40 p.m. They return. The value is 12:40 p.m. Next question, seventh question. Raji started her homework at 6 p.m. She finished her homework in 1 hour 30 minutes. At what time did she finish? Let us answer this question here, which is seventh question. Start time was 6 p.m. 6 p.m. plus adding first hour 7 we get the time 7 obtained time plus minutes adding is equal to 7:30 p.m. The answer is 7:30 p.m. She finished her homework. Eighth question. Ayla goes out to play at 5:30 p.m. Comes back after 1 hour 10 minutes. At what time does she come back? Now giving eighth question solution. Starting time is equal to 5:30 p.m. Now we have to add 1 hour 10 minutes. First adding the hour 5:30 plus 1 hour is equal to 6:30. After that we are adding the minute 6:30 plus 10 minutes is equal to 6:45 p.m. The answer when she returned back is 6:40 p.m. After that, ninth question. If the lunch break of the school starts at 12:30 p.m. and ends in 35 minutes, what time will lunch end? Now calculating that for ninth solution, the lunch break starting time was 12:30 p.m. Now adding 35 minutes. Here 12:30 plus 35 minutes which is equal to 1 1:05 p.m. How when lunch was over 1:05 p.m. the lunch came to end. Next, if it is 8:35 p.m. right now, what the time will be after 8 hours and 25 minutes? Now answering for the 10th question. The start time is 8:35 p.m. Next adding 8 hours. First we are adding 8 hours which is 8:35 plus 8 hours is equal to 4:30 which is 4:35 a.m. It came to next day, so we are putting as a.m. next day. Next after that 4:35 plus am plus that remaining minutes 25 minutes we should add is equal to 5 a.m. The answer is 5 a.m. Thank you.